Hello guys and welcome back to our channel. Now today we are going to be taking a look at this GAMESIR GC1 handheld retro games console. It is specified as having 1000 games built in, where we'll see about that real soon, but it does however come in 3 different colours. It does have a 32-bit game operating system, a specified HD video playback, the capability of music playback too. Inside the box, we have the games console to the front. It is fairly light, to be honest, with that 3.5-inch IPS screen. We have got the YXBA function buttons to the bottom right hand corner, physical direction buttons to the bottom left, the start button to the right, the select button to the left, and both directional joysticks to the top left and right. But to the front, we do also have the left and right trigger buttons, as well as the up-down volume button. There is an all-type USB charge port for charging that 400 mAh battery that's included within this console. There's an audio jack for your earphones or headphones, an on-off power switch, and power indication light. There's an air grill to the bottom where the sound from the internal speaker comes from too. Now inserted within this console is a TF memory card. So yes, you get a 4GB memory card included with 1000 games already installed. So yes, the console is nice and compact, but what we also get with this package is a GAMESIR user guide, pretty good size USB charge cable, and we also get some basic earphones too. So yes, we got a power indication light to the front. Okay, it's not in English. Okay, we've got to change this real quick. Why has it done that? Why has the volume automatically gone down? No, it looks like the volume button's stuck as well. Anyway, let's go back to the main menu and let's see what we get. So we get voice recorder. Let's try that out. Hello guys and welcome back to our channel. Yeah, it's not that loud, to be honest. So we've got a Game Boy Advance emulator, Game Boy Classic, all the usual emulators, as well as the gaming, video and music features. We've also got an ebook option, which don't think I'm going to be choosing any of these anytime soon. Let's read a book. Maybe not. So we've got a folder option too, where we store all our games, music and videos. Calendar. Oh, it's set for what? 2020. Let's skip that year, I think. Let's go down. Come to the first gaming page, and down below to our last gaming page. So as well as these initial games on the main screen, we've actually got more within the games app. So there's all the emulated consoles to the left hand side, so we can choose through them. So let's go to Mega Drive. Again, it's not in English. Volume's getting on my nerves, I'll tell you that now. Yeah guys, I got a cold today, by the way. Bad cold. So let's choose Mega Drive anyway and see what games we get. I can't actually understand a single word of this, so I'm just going to go in at the deep end. File opening. What the hell's this? DJ Boy. So the right directional control joystick is your action joystick, I guess. I do prefer using the buttons rather than the right joystick. It is quite fluid, and I could say that's the same with the buttons too. They're not too spongy. Nice and clicker. So we've got jump buttons. So these left and right trigger buttons actually do something. That's good. Should we check out Street Fighter? Come on, keep going. Yeah, you got him. Knockout. So guys, it's fairly hard to see if any of these games are indeed repeated. My guess is with this emulator, with it having 1000 games built in, that you will come across the same type of games with a different name which is specified. That is the same with most of the handheld consoles we have reviewed on this channel, but yeah, it's really hard to actually find out. Usually we do go through them all. If it was printed in English, we might be able to get a better picture. So let's just choose a random game again. Wow, classic game, man. I had this on the Amiga 600. Fades off your Alright, so there has been a few games, just like this one. It says developed for use only with NTSC Genesis systems. Now that's a game that's not in use, and that's another flop. Right, we're going to see if we can actually use this console while it's plugged in. Alright, it's been 2 minutes, guys. The screen's locked again. Gotta switch it off and on. Charge and play. Yes, we've got the option to charge and play, so that's great. Super Mario All-Stars. Let's have a look at that, shall we? Ooh. So we've got Super Mario, The Lost Levels, Super Mario 2, Super Mario 3, Super Mario World. Oh, the classic Super Mario. Should we go with classic? Yeah, let's do it. Yeah. Come on. So yeah, guys, I must admit, the console, when I first got it, I was expecting it to be a lot better, but unfortunately it is rather a letdown, to be honest. I mean, not knowing what games you've actually got on the console, that's a number one issue, especially when you want to locate a game that you've played before that you have indeed enjoyed. There's no way about changing the language when it comes to the games list, and it feels like you've got a lucky dip when choosing them. As well as that, the volume rocker being faulty, well, that's just the biggest annoyance when it comes to this retro console. But for the price, I mean, £17 for this handheld console just now, that's around 20 in US dollars. I think you would be better off just simply buying the previous handheld consoles that we've reviewed in the past. Okay, this is a console emulator, and you do get rather a good, healthy selection of emulated games to choose from. Captain Commando. You know what? The buttons, I will give it, the buttons are quite sturdy. They feel quite durable. There's good reaction. Yeah, go and pick him up, man. Oh, he threw me. So the volume's gone down again on its own. This is a good game. I like this. Let's see what the free earphones are like. Oh well, volume's going down, so I won't be able to know. It sounds not bad, actually. The only thing is, when playing music through these actual earphones, it's not great. So let's use our own headset. Hey! Not bad, not bad. Don't get me wrong, the audio quality, it does sound kind of distorted when playing games. Music's not too bad though, when using your own headphones, that is. Now, for any downloads that you want to add to this game's console, you got to do it via PC or laptop, using that supplied cable, inserting it into the console with memory card inserted. Unfortunately, when you enter any memory card, it's got to be fully formatted with this actual console before you can add any photos to it. So go ahead and choose a video file.
You would know we had some awesome sounding DJ headphones.
So yes, not a bad video playback from that internal file. Now let's quickly choose a music track. The speaker's not great. I'm not going to get any punchiness with the audio quality, but let's test out the earphones that are supplied. Wow, guys, these earphones are super, super flat. Listen to how tinny they are. But nevertheless, let's add our own headphones once again. Hey, do you know what? Not too bad, not too bad. Alright, there's not much bass, to be honest, while playing music through this handheld console. It's pretty much, well, almost absent, in fact. Listen. But nevertheless, I don't think you're going to be using this console for any type of MIDI files, to be honest. Especially with the volume button just constantly going down of its own accord. So this screen, yes, it does have 240 by 320 pixels. No, this console will not connect to any type of Wi-Fi, and it doesn't have Bluetooth built in. So yes guys, quite a below average GAMESIR GC1 handheld retro console. If it was fully intact, if the audio wasn't bad, I would have gave it a higher rating that I'm going to give it just now. And today, unfortunately, I'm going to have to give this handheld retro console, you know what, I'm going to give it a 4 out of 10. It's got loads of nice games, don't get me wrong, the emulator works perfectly fine. There are a few games that are not compatible with this particular console, so yes, you will be missing a fair few, and as mentioned, you do get a few games that are repeated. So instead of 1,000 games, you're more or less looking at around about 375 to 450. And for me, I'm going to continue playing a few more games. But yeah guys, if you'd like to smash a like on this video today, I'd very much appreciate it. And while you're there, please subscribe to this channel. Making sure you hit that bell notification option so you guys stay updated on all my new uploads. Now we will be doing a few more tech reviews coming in the next few days, so stay tuned for them. But as usual guys, please stay safe and thank you ever so much for watching. Peace!